playground door is in sight. Repeat, baby is in sight. Follow me.
Floof!
Splendiferous catch, Floof!
She says thank you very much and asks if we've seen her mommy.
Tell her you're welcome, and she shouldn't worry. We'll get her right to her Airplane! Under the treetops? Not logical.
It is an aeroplane.
Technically, it's a drone. A drone is smaller than a... Save the lecture! Right! Floof! Splendiferous, Floof! What next?
Oh, I know. Bubbles.
Floof always blows bubbles from his horn, Anna.
I know, but I mean lots of bubbles. Floof, floof, floof. Floof, 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 floof.
It's a floofcano!
And a floofcano is the world's cutest natural disaster. Floof!
And here's a new drawing for you to take back to him. Actually, it's not great pigeon flying weather right now.
Really? But Willard will let you know when he's ready to fly again. In the meantime, can you keep him here?
I'd love to! Thank you, Rainbow Rangers!
Open the Kaleida cove. Here comes the Spectre scooter.
Anna, what exactly are you doing?
We're playing baby. Come on, baby. Your turn.
Babies aren't really my thing.
But I saved you the fun part. It's baby burping time.
Kalia needs us.
Time to grow up, baby. Rangers, go!
Uh-huh. Okay. I got this. Hen toupees! Only answer! Floof, I need marshmallow. Purple marshmallow.
Floof, floof.
Perfect! Now for a little styling. Ta-da! Splendiferous!
More like ridiculous. Heads up, Rangers. It's Clean Up the Cove Day.
But Rosie, we're having fun.
Kalia needs us. Rangers, go!
We're floating! For real!
It is so cool! In space, there's no gravity to hold you down, so...
Looks like we zapped to the right place. There's the space shuttle. No way! That's Preston Braxton's logo.
Why is he in space? In a falling apart space shuttle?
Let's find out. When I get to the top, I feel like I'm floating. Come bounce with us, Floof. Floof, we'll get you down, Floof. Ugh, this would be the opposite of floating.
Someone looks sleepy. Floof? Floofy, I'm so sorry. I know this is your favorite futon, but the bunny sis came in and he got so cozy, I couldn't say no. Floof. Floof, floof, floof. Floof. But it's okay. If the bunny sis wants to rest on the futon, you can cuddle on the couch with all of us.
Great idea, Anna. Last one to the couch is a rotten bunny's spur. No offense.
Floof! What do you think, Floof? Like it? Floof.
Kalia needs us. We'll cuddle more later, Floof, I promise. Rangers, go!
Floof?
Glad you're up. Kalia needs us. Rangers, go! Whoa! Who's tipping the floor?
Floof, floof.
Oh! Whoa! Kalia needs us. Rangers, go! Target in sight. Take the controls, Floof! Floof? Reverse under bottom looper, go! Straight power!
I knew it. He's scared. Rosie, you have to stop.
No giving up! Stick into the plan! Aborting the plan! Jump! So, that was something.
Hey, Floof! You want one of my freshly made Prismaberry muffins?
Floof.
And here, to make it better.
Floof.
Floof, floof! Muffins. Smell 'em, need 'em.
That smell.
Get me to those muffins.
I love the smell of Prismaberry muffins.
Me too.
It's only logical we eat them now.
I made them for everyone. Enjoy!
Kalia needs us. Rangers, go!
I invite you to hop into my fully automated cart and take a tour.
That sounds so fun. Come on, Floof.
Wait! That's got to be one of his booby traps.
You too, Greenie? Must you think so little of me? I promise you that cart is not a booby trap. 'Cause this is... So long, Rainbow Rangers!
Fascinating. I wonder how long this tea will keep rising. Ah, here we go.
Phoebe, how can you be so calm? We're higher than the clouds. Floof, floof, floof.
It's okay. We'll get down from here somehow.
I know exactly how. Constructomax, construct a giant slide.
Hang on, did she say giant slide? I totally want to ride a giant slide.
The minute she gets back, she's building one in the cove.
Whoa!
Who's first?
Floof, floof. Aw, poor Floofy's scared. Here, Floofers. Mr. Stuffy Wuffy will make you much, much better.
Good call, Anna. Now let's slide. Pepper?
Here goes everything.
Wow! Floofy and I will go next. Come on, Floof.
Check it out! I found my old unicycle and I'm awesome on it!
Indy, are you okay?
Ha! Always. Unicycle's thrash, though.
More on that later. Kalia needs us. Rangers, go!